In this video, I want to show you how to add random questions to a quiz. And it's important to note, you can do a combination. You can have a set number of questions. Say these 10 questions everybody gets. But then I want to pull 5 random ones. You can do completely random, completely set, or a combination of the two. It's really important, before I show you how to add random questions, take a look at your quiz bank, because how you store the questions really determines the best way to set up random questions. Click on More, go to Question Bank. Now by default, it goes to the Questions tab. If you click that, go to Categories. The reason I'm going to have you go to Categories is you can see different things, like I have an academic integrity category, and then this is a textbook, so it's broken out by chapter, and I can tell how many questions are in each chapter. So returning to the main course page, I'm going to go ahead and add a quiz and then add the questions to it. So I'm going to click the plus sign, activity or resource. I'm going to select quiz. And I'm not going to go through all the settings for this video, but basically you'd want to make sure your timing, your time limits, everything's set up just the way you want. I'm going to jump ahead and just hit Save and Display. Once I'm on this page, I'm going to click the Questions tab. And this is where I select questions to add to the quiz. So let's say I have some set ones that for sure I want to add. Here where it says Add, just click the arrow and choose From Question Bank. Then you're going to select the category that has the questions. Be sure to click Apply Filters. This is showing me all the questions in Chapter 1. So I can just check a few, or if I check this box at the top, I can select all of them at once. But I'm going to say these questions I want everyone to get. So then I say Add Selected Questions to the quiz. Now I'm going to click Add again. Only this time I'm going to choose Random Question. I'm going to select the category. This time I'm going to go to Chapter 2, Apply Filters. It's easy to forget that Apply Filters, but that's what you need to do. This is showing me all the questions in that category, and then here at the bottom, number of random questions, this is where you pick. So there are 26, you can never pick more than are in the category, and I'm going to say 5 random questions from that. Once you click the button and then you scroll down, you can see here Random from Chapter 2. I can add more random questions from a different category if I want. I'm going to click Add, Random Question. Again, pick the category, apply filters, scroll to the bottom, choose the number of random questions, and click Add Random Questions. For any random questions, you should see the dice icon. And again, it's not going to show you the specific text because it's pulling randomly. But if you have specific questions, you will see the text of those. Scrolling to the top, if you go to Quiz, click Preview Quiz, and then you can scroll through. Now if you want to look at the whole quiz, by default it always does 1 question per page, which I really like. But if you do Finish Attempt and just submit all and finish, because as the teacher I'm not worried about picking the right answers. This allows me to scroll through and look at all of them all on a single page. I hope that helps.